It's absolutely fantastically exciting to see a facility like this open. It's hugely impressive. I mean, you drive up, you can see it from the road. It's just a magnificent looking facility. 9 months of building for the team at TruckEast. It's just a brilliant investment and a physical manifestation of the Scania brand. So it's absolutely brilliant.
It's a very proud moment for me personally and the team. It's something I've always wanted to do. A lot of our branches are a bit of a compromise. The buildings, they're either been adapted from something else or they're old.
The Stowmarket site was originally a dairy and in 1970 was changed into being one of the first Scania workshops in East Anglia. It's never going to be the same as a purpose-built site that we have here. And this is much more fitting with the Scania brand and the prestigiousness of it.
Long hard nights, constant reviewing of plans, rethinking, talking to 41 technicians to get so many different views and opinions to make sure that when the technicians come, it works for them. And that's been the biggest journey for us. So what we looked at here was how to make best use of the space so we can make the guys efficient. So that we started with looking at how the vehicles move around the site. So we made it a drive-through workshop, which is key for efficiencies.
Everything we've put in here is now state of the art. We've got wall-mounted cages that transport the sprayers down the sides. The wash bay here, you can put a vehicle on and it will set a cycle going, it will wash the underneath of the truck.
It's open space. We've got 3 dedicated pits. You can see everybody in the building and we've got dedicated oil reels everywhere, so it just helps with the technicians working on the vehicles.
I think the team are going to love working here.
I hope they'll be wowed really. It's very different from where they are now.
We involved all the team at the head office, so they've all had their little inputs, which has massively helped us. So when we finally move in and this place starts working, everyone can say they had a part of this building in them.
I think it's hugely important that we represent Scania in everything we do, whether it's the people, whether it's the products, what we produce to the media, but also the buildings and the environment that our customers get to interact. And I think this absolutely lives to the Scania brand and where it positions. So I think it's hugely important that they get to feel the brand in more ways than just the product.
We want to be the best that we can be, and the only way to do that is to continually invest in our facilities and invest in recruiting the best staff to give ultimate customer service. And why should we or our customers settle for anything less?